Plant breeders' rights. Plant breeders' rights, also called plant variety, are a type of intellectual property protection specifically designed for new and distinct varieties of plants. Plant breeders' rights provide the breeder with exclusive control over the propagation, sale, and use of the new variety. These rights are meant to encourage innovation in plant breeding, ensuring that breeders receive recognition and economic benefits for their work. To qualify for protection under plant breeders' rights, a plant variety must meet the following criteria. Novelty. The variety must be new, meaning that it should not have been sold or made available to the public for a certain period before the application. Distinctness. The variety must be clearly distinguishable from any other known plant variety. Distinctness may be based on one or more identifiable morphological, physiological, or other characteristics. It should have at least one characteristic that sets it apart, such as color, shape, or resistance to a specific pest. Uniformity. The variety should be uniform in its essential characteristics. In other words, the plants of the variety must show the same features or traits when grown under the same conditions. Stability. The variety should remain stable over successive generations. This means that the distinct characteristics must not change after repeated propagation or reproduction. Here is a list of purpose and importance of plant breeders' rights. Encourage innovation. Plant breeders' right promotes the development of new and improved plant varieties, which can lead to increased agricultural productivity, improved food security, and the development of climate-resilient crops. Economic incentives. Breeders can benefit financially by licensing their varieties or selling them commercially, which provides a return on their investment in research and development. Contribution to agriculture. New plant varieties often have desirable traits, such as higher yields, disease resistance, drought tolerance, and improved quality, contributing to agricultural advancements. A breeder granted plant breeders' rights has exclusive rights to produce or reproduce the variety, unless they authorize someone else to do so. Market and sell the seeds, cuttings, or plants of the protected variety. Control over the import and export of the plant variety. License the variety to other parties for commercial use, which allows others to use the variety under agreed terms. While plant breeders' rights grant breeders control over their plant variety, there are specific exceptions. Breeders' exemption. Other plant breeders are allowed to use a protected variety for the purpose of developing new plant varieties. This ensures that innovation in plant breeding is not hindered. Farmers' privilege. In some countries, farmers are permitted to save seeds of a protected variety for replanting on their own farms. This is typically allowed for small-scale or subsistence farmers and varies depending on national laws. Public interest. Governments may limit PBR to protect public interest, such as ensuring food security or environmental conservation. Plant breeders' right in Uganda is granted for 20 years and a longer period of protection of 25 years for the case of trees and vines. Depending on the type of plant. Now you know the basics about plant breeders' rights. I hope you have found this video insightful. If you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.